Hello, wonderful people. I greet you all. Igbo Class World. Bringing to you all you need to know about traveling. Dear people, I say let me come and bring you now. Obongo opportunity. It has happened again. What is happening? Massive recruitment in Scotland. Hey! Do you know that Scotland has entered shortage of workers? That's why they advertise in their website and their country all over the place that they need 60,000 workers from abroad. My brothers, if you can browse, if you know how to get this opportunity, the opportunity is on your way. So dear people, you will see their own website, Scotland. You will see their own link. You will see their own job center. They advertise it everywhere, which I'm going to show you. My dear people, vacancy 62,000 vacancy that they advertised in the Scotland website. Search for a job in Scotland website. Search for it. You can equally go and register in agency. You can equally register in agency, or you can browse online. You can equally get on employment in Scotland through the websites called Indeed, and their Scotland and the UK, they are in the same country. No matter although they are four countries making up United Kingdom, which is Scotland is among them, Wales, Northern Ireland, and England, and the body, the main umbrella is UK. www.gov.uk, but Scotland have their own website, which I'm going to show you on the screen. When it is coming on the screen, copy it or screenshot it. Copy it or screenshot it. Or do you need the link direct? You can do it. You can copy it, you can screenshot it. You can search for this job in website called Red, REED, or Monster job. Or you can go in a job center. You can go in the job center. They are recruiting with them sponsorship, massive sponsorship, without paying a dime. My dear people, if you are in UK already looking for sponsorship, go to the Scotland website and they are apply. If you are in our country, if you are back home, go to Scotland website and apply. Look at their website. It is called my job Scotland, myjobscotland.gov.uk, myjobscotland.gov.uk. Type it in your browser and browse through. Are going to see everything you need. Start applying. People, my dear, do you know that there is 80,000 companies approved by government to start hiring abroad? Scotland government has done well. So go to My Job Scotland, type it and start applying. When you go there, you can search. There is huge opportunity for teachers. Look at their NHS. Their NHS, that is National Health Service, they are recruiting as well. Everybody from all corner, if you see job there that suit you, any kind of job, whether they write it with sponsorship or without sponsorship, when you go in Scotland website, they don't normally write it is for we are sponsoring from abroad all over the world. If you see job that suit you, continue to apply, whether they write it we are recruiting from abroad or not. Apply, make sure you are putting the right document. Teachers has good opportunity. You have good opportunities. Healthcare assistants, nurses, doctors, GPs, any job you have, including construction, engineers of all kinds, even cleaners. any credential, any document you have, any job that suits you, just apply. Whether they write it that they are recruiting from abroad or not, please, dear people, apply. Call your brothers, call your sister, tell them that there's massive opportunity going on. Do you see their NHS, National Health Service? They are recruiting as well. Their government, they are recruiting, and they approved 80,000 companies. Dear people, let me leave you for now.